How to add floating menu in Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now here from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements and then go to Menu and Anchor. So here you can choose the type of menu which we want to add to our Wix website. So I will do this one as an example. I will simply drag and drop it right here. Now, after we have dragged and dropped it, then all we need to do is right click on it and then choose the option to pin to screen. So once we choose to pin to screen, then right here we can select where we actually want it to appear, the horizontal offset, and the vertical offset. So after we're done with this, then we can simply close out of this. And now as you can see, this menu is floating if we scroll down and up our Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.